YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the faster free shipping, and you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Can't believe it's already the end of the month. We got a new month ahead. Father's Day is coming up, so you might want to start looking for some Father's Day gifts to get it early before the 16th, I believe. And we have here, ooh, that's something new. Coming from Litokam, 1080p Wi-Fi smart camera, high def, night vision, cloud storage, support TF, motion detection, encrypted, multi-viewing platform, two-way audio, so you can have this on, tablets and everything else, cell phones. I'm gonna set this thing up and get it to go. I'll grab my tablet. If I could open this, it'd be great. There we go. So definitely check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But if you like this item, add it to your cart right now. Yeah, this would be a nice little Father's Day gift, protect your home or whatnot. Got tape there. Ooh, it's a nice little package I have for you guys. Nice little setup they have here. You get the USB cable. You get the camera. Look at that, it's a little standy. You got the swivel, 360 roaring here. Got the speaker right there. Camera right there. Got the stand right there. There we go. And you got the to mount it if you want, but I think I'm gonna keep it like that for now for the video, because like I said, I have so many cameras in my backyard, I'm not sure where I'm gonna stick it. Got the screws, and of course you got the power adapter for the USB. So take this, I'm gonna need this out, and we're gonna need to plug this in like so. Bada boom, bada bing. I have a spot where I could plug this in. That's a pretty good size cord. And then let me grab my tablet and clean up. Alright, got my tablet ready right there. And Litokam, we got the manual. So there'll be an app on the Apple Store, the Google Play. It is called Little If Smart. Once you scan the QR code, it'll pop it up. But once I pull it up, I'll show you guys in about 2 seconds. Alright guys. It's going to be called Little IF Smart App. So once you see that icon right there, click on the install and it'll install right away. And that's what we're going to be doing right about now. That should take a few seconds, and you're going to need to probably, register it, send your email. So make sure you have your email all set up and everything good to go. And then you can go from there to set up the camera. They are on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Litokam. Litokam, K-A-M, not C-A-M. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, once you get the app downloaded, you know how this works. We're going to have to plug the camera in a few seconds. Right now, you just got to hit add device. And then location, continue. Allow while using the app. Now we're going to look for, oh boy. Now there's there's cam C1, cam C2, cam C1. So we're going to have to look on the app, on the directions. Smart camera, okay. It doesn't make sense. Once you launch live chat, make sure connect to the network. Alright. They launched the 24/7 live chat. Okay. And you can also use Alexa and Google. I'm going to try something. Hold on. And make sure when you plug it in, it goes like this. And the light turns on. And then once the light starts blinking, that's when you're going to hit the setup mode. Try to get it all one shot. Here we go. So, oh no.
Wait to connect.
Okay. Then I gotta, hold on. We gotta do one of these type things.
Start connect.
Oh, hopefully we got a one shot.
Connect success.
Yes. Excellent. Always a good thing. Those QR things can be tricky sometimes. Just wish there was an easier way to set those up, but that's what it is, you know. Excellent. Then you can always name it. We'll do kitchen cam. I don't know. Like I said, I'm running out of spots to put cameras, so kitchen cam. Kitchen cam. Kitchen time. Device. Oh. Battery done. I don't know what it's doing. It's doing something. I'm just glad it was easy to hook up. Very happy with it. Retrieving video stream. Whoa. Alright. Very nice. HD. There's volume. Hello. Hello, YouTubers. See? There you go. Then you can pull out the menu. Oh, I gotta shut that off. Theme color. Dark mode. Heck yeah. Motion. You'll get notifications. Night mode. Sound detection. Snapshot record. Pretty much everything you need. Not bad for a small little camera. And then you can save it to your gallery. Playback mode. And then you can switch. I think you could probably have it this way too. Alright, we'll pop it up. We'll see what happens. Okay, there we go. Change of viewing. There we go. So you can have it long ways or normal. Alright, so we got everything down. Downtown. You can switch. Hey, that's great. Alright guys, so like I said, you'll get notifications through your app on your phone or your tablet, whatever you use. I'm not sure if it's going to show up here. That's my other camera. Yeah, because I have it all turned off on this one, but on my phone it started to go off. So really nice, clear camera. I don't know if you get out there is. See, it popped up. Oops. But yeah, really nice cam. You can read the box right there. So definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, if you don't know what to get for your Father's Day gifts, you know, this would be a nice one to get. And all you gotta do is click the link down below. Check them out. Litokam. Good stuff, guys. You guys be safe, YouTubers. Have a good day, and see you guys hopefully in June. See you soon.